plenty going on in the world around us right now, but do not let taking care of yourself take a backseat right now. We need to learn to take good care of ourselves, and having a good skincare routine in place is an excellent way to start. Hi, my name is Tanvi Marathe, and today I'm going to show you how to start a skincare routine for beginners. But before we get into the video, if you are new to the BeBeautiful platform, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for further notifications. Now, I remember when I started with skincare, I used to take strolls along the beauty sections of supermarkets and have a headache. With so many products and so many options, tell me you didn't get overwhelmed too, but worry not, because I'm here to help. So the first step in curating a skincare routine is determining your skin type. Now there are 4 basic skin types: normal skin, oily skin, dry skin, and combination skin. The first one is normal skin. If your skin feels neither too oily nor too dry, then you have normal skin. Not only is it the least common skin type of all of them, but also the least problematic one of them all. The second one is oily skin. Now, if your skin looks like your fingers after you've had fried food, then you have oily skin. Generally, individuals with this skin type have large pores that get clogged with oil, sweat, dirt, and that results in excessive acne and pimples. The third skin type is dry skin. Now, the primary trait of dry skin is that it is flaky and rough in texture. People with dry skin can often feel their skin to feel very tight and itchy, and it can get dull and pale in appearance. Now, moving on to the last skin type, that is combination skin. Now, combination skin is nothing but a combination of oily and dry skin. If your skin's texture feels particularly oily on the T-zone and dry on the cheeks, then you are somebody who has combination skin. Some of these skin types can also be sensitive skin. If your skin flushes with spicy food, reacts to new products, often feels itchy, and gets affected by weather changes, then you may have sensitive skin. It is extremely important to avoid certain harsh skincare ingredients when caring for sensitive skin. So there you go, that's how you determine your skin type. Now, once you've determined your skin type, you can now narrow down on the products according to your skin concerns. For normal skin, because you have very minimal skin concerns, your skincare routine can be fairly simple. But having normal skin doesn't mean you don't or you won't have skin concerns. That is why you need to have an essential skincare routine in place. That is a CTM followed by sunscreen. And what is CTM, you ask? Cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Next, people with oily skin type need to be very careful when choosing their skincare products. Opt for the ones that help balance the excess oil and are non-comedogenic. That is, they won't clog your pores. Also, because oily skin produces excess sebum and can cause breakouts, they can also use products designed for acne-prone skin. This will also help with the other issues that go hand in hand with acne, such as redness, scarring, and irritated skin. And remember, at all times, avoid ingredients like petroleum jelly, as it is extremely thick and make your skin look greasy, resulting in clogged pores. Also, avoid alcohol-based products, as they strip your skin of the moisture and irritate your skin. Those with dry skin, look out for products which has ingredients like lactic acid, shea butter, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and petroleum jelly that nourishes and moisturizes and soothes the dry skin. Avoid products that contain alcohol, fragrance, dyes, and harsh chemicals, as it will irritate your skin and cause inflammation. Lastly, for combination skin, keeping your skin balanced is of the utmost importance. That's why I go for products that are meant for all skin types. Typically, formulas that are meant for all skin types help balance the skin out without over drying or causing excessive oil production. Now, for sensitive skin, opt for products that have very few ingredients in them, like little to no fragrance, and those that have gentle formulas that can help strengthen the skin barrier. Opt for clean beauty products that are free from alcohol, sulfate, artificial flavor, color, animal-derived ingredients, and harsh chemicals. Soothing ingredients like aloe vera and argan oil work wonders for sensitive skin. One of the most important things to do when trying out a new skincare product is to do a patch test. Even if you don't have sensitive skin types, certain formulations and ingredients can even irritate normal skin types. So always try and do a patch test and then wait for 4 to 5 hours to see if you have any reaction from the product. Now that you know what your skin type is and what products you should look out for, it's time to know what the steps of a good skincare routine are. Number 1 is cleanse. Cleansing is the first and the most important step of any skincare routine, whether it is AM or PM. Before you apply any other skincare product, it is extremely important to get rid of the dirt, oil, or any makeup sitting on your face. So choose a cleanser that's formulated for your skin type. I personally use this cleanser for my face. It not only cleanses the face but also replenishes moisture. Just wet your face and take a coin-size amount of the product on your hand and gently massage the product with your fingertips for at least a minute and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Now my second step in skincare routine is using a toner. Now using a toner is quite overlooked when it comes to a skincare routine, but it is extremely essential. It offers a wide range of benefits for the skin, including soothing your skin, balancing out your skin's pH levels, and also taking off any residue of the cleanser that's on your face. Also use a toner that is an alcohol-free formula, and the one I love using is this one. Take a few drops of this toner on your clean hands rather than on a cotton pad, as the use of the cotton pad also leads to a lot of wastage of the product. All you have to do is pat the toner on your face. This will help to tighten and unclog your pores, energize tired skin, reduce excess oil, and also keep other skin issues at bay. The third step is to moisturize. Now, moisturization is an extremely important step in order to maintain good skin health. And regardless of your skin type, yes, I'm talking to you oily skin girls. Everybody needs a moisturizer. You can choose a cream-based moisturizer for dry skin and a water or gel-based moisturizer for oily or combination skin. The moisturizer that I personally swear by is this one from Simple. It is made with natural ingredients, does not have any harsh chemicals, alcohol, parabens, color, or dye. Take a coin-size amount on your fingertips and massage gently on your face until it's completely absorbed. Now that we are done with the CTM routine, as I said, cleanse, tone, and moisturize, the last step of any skincare routine is sun protection. This step is super important as exposure to the sun causes premature aging, the skin looking dull, dark spots, sunburn, and more such problems. So my pick for a sunscreen for every day is this one. It is non-oily, lightweight, and keeps my face looking matte all day. Just take a small amount and apply it to your face, neck, and even hands. Also remember to apply it 15 to 20 minutes prior to leaving your house, and also reapply every 3 hours once you're out. Lastly, it is really good to use an exfoliator to get rid of the dead skin cells and to achieve that smooth, glowing skin. The exfoliator that I have been loving to use these days is this one. It is a gel-based exfoliator with orange and walnut extracts that thoroughly cleans the face and removes all the dirt and impurities that have settled in your pores. Just take a small amount of this gel on your hand and mix it with water and work it into a nice rich lather. One important thing to remember is to gently massage your face in circular motions on your wet face while using this exfoliator, and once done, just rinse it off with water. Also, while wiping your face dry, always remember pat and never rub. I hope this video helps you to start a skincare routine for yourself. Remember, skincare doesn't have to be complicated, it's just thoughtful. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BeBeautiful. And also press the bell icon for further notifications of our beautiful videos. Bye!